What's up everyone, welcome back to another episode of Workshop Rebuild. This video will be completely different. I'm sitting over here in my office setup within the shop. This is where I get everything done. So I'll give you guys a summary of 2021, how everything went down, and I'll also share with you guys a couple details and facts which you probably don't know. So over the past year, I was able to create a whole bunch of videos and I was able to finalize a couple builds as well. Some projects I still have to finish, but nevertheless, I tried to share as much quality content as I possibly could. I have to admit, it's not always easy. Some projects need a lot of work and sometimes you just don't get to see all the extra hours off camera. But I accept that challenge because I love what I do and I also love sharing content with you guys out there. I can't thank you more for liking the videos down below, commenting down below, and asking questions, even to open up little conversations under each and every video. You guys don't always communicate with me, you guys also communicate with other people and help other people out under my videos. So I think that's a huge bonus for everybody out there that asks questions and I can't get to them as soon as possible, and or I don't even have the right answer. So you guys help out tremendously and I can't thank you guys enough. I can see that there are viewers all over the world watching the videos I upload, and if you guys have a minute, comment down below where you guys are watching this video from right now. Looking back at the 1st of January of 2021, there were exactly 61 subscribers on Workshop Rebuild, and up until today we grew over 700 subscribers. That's absolutely crazy. Throughout this year I created a total of 73 videos, and that comes down to about 1 to 2 videos a week. I feel confident that I can achieve the same number for next year, or even more videos of different projects, as I will have some new projects here very soon. The total number of video views on the channel is the craziest number of all. There are over 60,000 views in total over all videos, and I think that number is actually crazy. Besides all these crazy numbers, I still think there are a lot of positive aspects to take away from this little channel I started a couple months ago. The first thing I'll start off with is like-minded enthusiasts. So what that means is if I ever upload a video on a John Deere, a Bolins, a Gravely, or whatever it may be, even the Thomas skid steer, which I'm still working on currently, there are like-minded enthusiasts out there. You guys appreciate what I do, and I also tune into many of your guys' videos out there, and I also want to learn what you guys do different than what I do. So there's always a give and take, and I really appreciate all the like-minded enthusiasts out there, if it's on my channel or even somebody else's channel. The next thing I'll bring up is positive feedback. You guys are always liking my videos, and I really appreciate it. Many of you also give me tips and tricks yourself on how I can fix something, and also what I should do in my upcoming videos. So I really appreciate all the positive feedback you guys share with me. The next thing I'd like to discuss is great relations. This is very similar to positive feedback, but if you guys comment down below on my videos, I also try to get back to you guys as soon as I can. And once we start commenting, I have a feeling that we always create some kind of discussion or even a little chat down below. You guys also sent me a couple emails throughout this year, and I tried to get back to you as soon as possible as well. And it just creates a little chat, and I think it's really important to have that to create a little community. And that brings us right into the next topic, which is a helpful community. I also spoke about that before. You guys help each other down in the comments below, or even when I email you guys, I help you guys out, or even through all Facebook groups. If somebody is having an issue with their garden tractor, I try to share my advice as best as I can. And I also comment on other people's comments down below on Facebook groups. So it just creates this big chat, but it's also a community at the same time. Looking at the big picture of everything I just talked about, like-minded enthusiasts, positive feedbacks, great relations, and helpful community, at the same time, we're growing a support system, not just me sharing content with you guys, but also you guys commenting down below and helping others. Just like in the Facebook groups, I think it's a growing support system that I'm sharing with you guys. So with that said, I just want to thank every one of you once more. Sometimes it needs a little bit of motivation to put me back on track, but many of you guys do so thank you once more. Moving forward into 2022 will be really fun. I have a couple projects set aside which I'd love to share with you guys, but I still have to get a couple projects done on camera first, and then I'll share with you guys the projects which I have out back. I don't want to share with you guys any empty promises whatsoever, so I'll bring those on camera very soon once I have some other projects done. My videography skills will hopefully get a little bit better throughout the next year. I might even upgrade some of the camera gear that I have, and hopefully my editing skills will also get better, so that means you guys will also enjoy some better content at home. Besides everything I just talked about, I have some equipment coming in. It is pretty high tech, and it'll cut down some of the restoration time to probably a third or even half the time of what I'm currently restoring them at. So the restoration rate will speed up tremendously, and hopefully I can also share with you guys more projects within 1 year. So to sum up 2021, I learned a whole bunch of new stuff. I worked on a whole bunch of little garden tractors this year. I shared all the content with you guys, so I hope you guys learned a whole bunch as well. I'm really stoked for 2022. There are a whole bunch of projects that are coming in. A whole bunch of projects will get finalized. And also, I'll be working with some new equipment that's state of the art, so I'm really looking forward to that as well. I might also share with you guys some of the stuff behind the scenes, so how I do some video editing, also how I use some CAD software, so that is 3D modeling software. And if you guys are interested even in 3D printing, I might also share with you guys some more 3D printing, which I do behind me right here. And that's what I do in this side of the office. We'll see what 2022 brings. Leave some suggestions down below what I should do or could do. I wish you guys a great end to your 2021. I hope everything was flawless on your end. And then moving forward to 2022, I hope you guys have an amazing start to the new year. And I hope to see you guys soon in the new year.